on the way to DFO. DFO! 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 In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can manage your finances and also save a lot more money. Check it out. So my story about saving money starts when I was a little kid. My friend was selling all these figurines. So I went and spent all my money on buying all these little figurines. And then when I came home, I showed my dad. And Dad got really angry. I didn't know why he got so angry. And then he dragged me back to my friend's house and I got a refund. I never forget that. Now I know why my dad did that, because he was teaching me not to spend all my money. So since then, I've always been very, very careful about spending money. So rule number one is that you need to pay yourself first. The reason why you gotta pay yourself first is because if you're not paying yourself first, you're paying everyone first, and therefore you're not gonna have anything left over. You gotta pay yourself first. When you get paid, it tends to go to all your bills first. It goes to your bills, the house, goes to food, goes to everything. So they pay their credit card, they pay for the bills, they pay for the house expenses, everything. And then at the end of it, you don't have anything left over. It's pretty much zero. What a lot of people do is they make the mistake of paying everyone else first. So when you pay your bills first, when you pay your dinners, when you go out pay your rent, when you pay this, you have nothing left over. And that sucks. But if you pay yourself first, basically your income goes to you first. So you can save $100 or $1,000, whatever it is, put that in the bank, then you pay your bills. So $50 and so forth. And whatever it is that you left over, you always have that $1,000. As soon as you get paid, just stash some of that money away. Just put it into your bank account. You just do like clockwork. Every time you get paid, just keep stashing it and then just pay the rest for other people. And then eventually you're gonna build up your big bank account. Step number two is that you gotta have a budget. Open up spreadsheets, figure out what's your income, figure out what your expenses are, and track them all and find out how much it is. So this is your income column. The next step is also your expenses. Once you've got your expenses, you want to put down your home, your bills, your rent, whatever it is. Third thing is your cash flow. Invest a bit of time to build your budget using Excel spreadsheet, and you're going to see very clearly how much is going out from your pocket every single month. That's how you organize your budget. And step number three, figure out what your cash flow is. Cash flow is the holy grail of building up your big bank account. You got to keep an eye out on this thing called cash flow. I'm not kidding you. This is very, very important. Income, take away your expenses, is equal to your cash flow. This is so important. That's the formula for cash flow. So for example, if your income is $1,000, your expenses is $500, your cash flow is $500. If your income is $1,000, expenses is $900, your cash flow is $100. What's the difference between a guy who's got $500 cash flow and a guy who's got $100 cash flow? This person is more financially secure versus this guy here. The problem is that a lot of people have a cash flow of $30 because you don't have anything to pay for your bills. So make sure that you watch your cash flow. Okay, this is so important. So that's the big secret. I know it sounds very simple, but that's how you can do it. Make money, save money. Make money, save money. So that, my friends, is how you can manage your budget and save more money. So if you like this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me. If you want to get lots more videos like this on how to increase wealth, entrepreneurship, building an online business, make sure that you subscribe and you check out my stuff, and I'm going to be sending you a lot more fantastic stuff on the way. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Yo.